Let's talk about how to find a lost phone, and these work particularly for the case of Android phone, and it could work for a situation whereby the phone could be stolen or the phone could also be have misplaced. So before you get into these, if you love my videos and you see value in them, just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, as I really appreciate. And of course, don't forget to smash that like button for me, as it's very important for the YouTube algorithm. So the first thing you'll need to do is to go to your of course you can go to your cyber cafe, or you can just do these with just your laptop. You just need to go to your google.com, and on your search tab I want you to type find my device. You get to type find my Android device on your search tab, and it's going to pop up as the first one in the search link. So what you need to do right now is to click that find my device. And the other thing you also need to understand is that you need to use a Gmail account which is already logged in or registered into the phone itself. For my case, you can see I'm using an Oppo A17, and this is just a demo demonstration I'm doing. So I just went ahead to register just a prototype email for the purpose of just illustration. So you need to use a Gmail account which is already registered into your phone, and for this case you can see you have a number of options you can get to operate with your phone. And you can see my locality right now is showing my phone is in Kenya. And to access the phone, you can either for the case if you already misplaced your phone, you can choose to just click this option of play sound, and in just a few seconds the phone will ring automatically. So what I'm going to do right now, you can see my phone is ringing from just hitting that play sound button. You can see that's how you get your phone to play the sound if you had already misplaced the phone. So it's that simple. The other options that you can get to play around with this technique, you can choose to secure a device. If your phone was just stolen, you can choose to lock the device and sign out your Google account. And for that case, you also have the ability to also display a message or a phone number on the lock screen, so that if somebody stole that phone, you can just give them some instruction, maybe to give them a deal to give back the phone, and for instance you get to pay them a reasonable amount of money. If your phone got stolen and it had some sensitive information or data, you can choose also to just erase the phone remotely. That's an option so many people prefer, since in most cases this handset, they do have some sensitive information, as well as photos, memories, or even some sensitive chats. So just implement that strategy. If you have any question, just go ahead, talk to me in the comment section, and I would really appreciate.